How to resolve a canceled Bitcoin withdrawal on Cash App for your protection. In this tutorial, I will show you step-by-step how to resolve a Cash App Bitcoin withdrawal cancellation for your protection. The first is to open or launch the Cash App mobile application, just like you can see here. This is the home page of the app. On this page, there are various sections that you can use to navigate to different areas of the app. From them, tap on the Activity option. It is this option that appears here at the bottom of the page. On the Activity page, you will see all the different transactions you have done, including the one that has been canceled. Tap on it, and sometimes you will see a green button asking you approve if you are the one who initiated the process. If the option is missing, then go to your Cash App account profile. After that, scroll down. Make sure you are following the tutorial step by step to avoid making any mistakes. Come to the bottom of the page and tap on the option named Support. Once you tap on it, this page appears, where you will see options that you can use to find solutions to issues you face on the app. From there, scroll down and come to this section here. After that, tap this option named Bitcoin. Once you tap on it, more options that are related to Bitcoin appears. These are common issues you face on the app. From there, scroll to the bottom of the page, go to the Contact Us section. Under the section, there is another option named Chat. Make sure you tap on it. Wait for the page to finish loading. On the next page, you will see options that ask what transaction you would like to get help with. From the list of transactions, tap on the Canceled Bitcoin transaction. After that, start writing a message to the support team explaining to them about the issue. Make sure you explain to them clearly, just like I am doing here. Finally, send them the message and give them time. They will respond to you with a solution. Thanks. That is how to fix Cash App Bitcoin withdrawal canceled for your protection.